Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, my YouTube family. How are you? So, do you know these vocabulary words? This is called pushing. Pushing. He is pushing the cart full of boxes. This is called bending. Bending. He bent over to do his exercise. This is called squatting. Squatting. He usually squats 100 times in a day. This is called tiptoe. Tiptoe. He tiptoed the whole house. Tiptoe. This is grumpy. Grumpy. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Must put down the comments. Grumpy means angry, aggressive. This is sigh. He is taking a deep sigh because he is really sad. This is called hiccups. Hiccups. Drinking a lot of water stops your hiccups. This is called snore. Snore is a sound that you usually do while sleeping. Snore. He snores a lot. This is called yawn. Yawn. He yawning because he is really tired. This is scream. Scream. This is called scream. Gargle. Gargle. Doctors suggest him to gargle because he is having a sore throat. This is coughing. Coughing. This is called weeping. Weeping is also be called crying. Shouting. Shouting. Yelling. Shouting. Both are the same words, yelling and shouting. Massaging. She is massaging her baby. Massaging. Scrubbing. Scrubbing. He scrubs his whole body with a sponge. Wiping. She is wiping the floor. She is wiping the dirty floor. Hiding. Hiding. The kids are playing hide and seek. Or the girl is hiding behind the tree. Right? Punching. Punch. He punched him on his face. Wiping. Wiping means to clear out, or to clean. The kid is wiping his tears. Wiping. Dog. Dog. The girl is under the table. On this situation is called ducking. She is talking, right? Pouring. The boy is pouring the milk in the glass. Pouring. Laughing. Laughing. He is laughing on the joke. And the last is leap. This is called leaping. Take a leap or take the leap. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.